I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitc_Chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok. I thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin. We talked about this idea on purpose every single video in the beginning. Bounce level, bounce level, bounce level, lost. This is all the sellers are stacked right here. You have to assume there's downside. Guys, this is basic stuff. This is not a bullish pattern. And group, I posted Bitcoin 4-hour. Plan A, if you get a bounce here, the bullish miracle, you long the bullish retest. The bearish retest is if it comes back up and retests it from the downside. Bearish retest looking for a lot more downside. Plan B, bearish retest, more downside. Bearish retest confirmed equals more downside. It's right there, plain as day. If-then statement. This is not let's predict anything. This is not a crystal ball. This is if this happens, this is the most likely outcome. Bearish retest, more downside. Banging. Nailed it. I can do backflips. I can do handstands, but I cannot get you to pay attention and click these mouse buttons to buy and sell. My trading group gets constant updates. Some people are very busy. They need this because the time is limited. Look, I posted, this is not a bullish chart. Shout out to some amazing traders in my trading group. This person came into the group as a crypto newbie with $2,000. Now he's at $650,000 in 7 months. Chris, how is this possible? It's because he was shorting all the swing failure patterns. He made money on the downside. He was trading bearish retest. Once you learn to short this market, dude, it's altcoin season upside down. Look at his trades. 10,000% profits right here. 9,600% profits, 3,600%, 3,500%, 385, 365, 543, 472, 783. Put those together, $2,000 becomes $650,000. Life-changing money, period. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. On the 24th of February, I told you guys this on YouTube, and I repeated it on multiple occasions. Most of you have been sitting on the sidelines. We do not hold downtrends. Inflation hurts the market and USDT buying power, but holding downtrends often ends in max pain scenario that is extremely costly. Extremely costly to say the least. We still hit the bangers. This guy, he nailed 1,000% profits on this short, HNT short. That's 10x. He 10x his money on one trade. 99% gains, 81% gains, 39%, 105. All these are shorts. The shorts, these are not like, hey, you're going to get liquidated. This is like easy short trading. These 3x short coins on Kucoin. It's like baby steps for shorts. We're killing it. We didn't have these tools last bear market, but now that we do, we're killing it. Yesterday, I said, I'm looking forward to the panic selling and longing these bounces in the future. About 9:30 at night. A lot's going to be determined by this next Fed rate hike this week. Shortly after, obviously, Bitcoin dumpage. You look at the stock market. Stock market opened and everything is completely getting devastated, right? The Fed is dumping its balance sheet. Now, there's some bounce ideas. I want to talk about those in just a second, but Fed's dumping its balance sheet. They're raising rates. Like, this is designed to wreck the stock market. Now, you've got Ethereum USDT and Bitcoin USDT that just hit the 200 weekly moving average. Okay, so this is a very good idea for some type of bounce on both Ethereum and Bitcoin. This is the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 index is back at levels where it was a year ago. It's the lowest levels that we've seen in a year. Anything that you potentially were holding in stocks over the last year, you're back to square one, period. This panic situation sell-off right here, you want to know where there's a bunch of good support? It's going to be down here at this area, right? Down here at this area. Could you see more downside? Sure. Can we get a relief bounce? Yes. We got to wait for some more data. Part of pattern trading is you need more data. You need patterns in order to trade the market. However, support and resistance is always the backup and go-to. So even though there's some temporary bounce ideas, I'll show it to you right here. This is the S&P 500. And the S&P is down here at this. So previous bounce on this trend line. Here we are. I mean, can it run through here and then bounce? Sure. If this breaks this level, market madness. Now, if you go to YouTube and you see extreme caution, black swan event for crypto, go through. Every time I've posted that, the market has been devastated shortly thereafter. Black swan events, don't miss those videos. I'm telling you guys. This is my Solana 3x short setup, June the 9th. It's up 178%, 3x leverage. I'm telling you, it's like the bull market upside down. This stuff is so easy. Now, Ethereum hit the last absolute high of the bull run previously. Monthly candles down here are closed. Now it's at monthly support. You do not want to see Ethereum lose this level. Check this out. After Ethereum had its move from 1440 all the way down, and it pulled back in a couple days, lost over 50% in 2 days. Then the next 4 days, it saw a 50% bounce. One amazing thing about this market is you got to keep a bunch of money on the sidelines and be ready, because when these things bounce, you know what I said? I'm looking forward to this. I said this yesterday. I'm looking forward to the panic selling and longing these bounces in the future, because these bounces are the easiest money you can make in crypto. Now, this Fed rate hike's coming this week on the 16th, and that's going to shake the market up. But the Fed has to be thinking, man, they're in a tight spot. Like I don't know what they. Now the market's probably pricing in a lot of what they think the Fed's going to do. So Feds come in last time with 50 basis point rate hike, and obviously the markets got wrecked. You have to think 50 basis points is necessary here, because inflation's at highs that it hasn't seen since 1981. They've got to slow down inflation. And so again, this is not amazing for the market, but you know, the Fed's also trying to keep the economy rolling forward. So real interesting week coming ahead of us. I'll keep you guys updated. More of the story on ETH is, will we get the epic bounce here? I mean, it loses this level. You're going down to 3-digit ETH. Can you imagine picking up ETH for $723? So many opportunities to pick these coins up repeatedly at low prices. I remember, you had Bitcoin after it came off $20,000 high. You had a $3,150 where you could have bought it at. You had a $3,800 where you could have bought it at. The last two lows, panic situation low, and just the regular market low. So you have all these opportunities to pick up these coins, and like people are sitting here and they're like, yeah, Ethereum's cheap. I'm scaling in. Do not buy downtrends. Wait for a reversal idea in here, okay, or not. You wait, start buying into strength. Buy into strength. Do not buy the move down to the downside unless you've got lower term bounce ideas on the shorter term time frames. This stuff, if you do not know the rules of this market will take your money and laugh at you. Trading against the elite stock market traders, high frequency trading bots. You cannot win if you are, should I buy now? Is Bitcoin going up or down? You're not going to win, period. It's vital that we see a bounce out of S&P 500 at this lower support level and this lower trend line. This will give upside ideas for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance pumped and then it rolled over. You need this thing to continue lower. Let the money flow into these altcoins for a little bit. People get bored of Bitcoin and then they start picking up some of these altcoins. best money you can make in the market is when these altcoins get completely destroyed. The upside is there. Listen, no matter what you do, this market, everybody's getting their teeth kicked in right now. Obviously, we're not, because we've been sitting on the sidelines, jumping in some of these short trades. But group or no group, do not quit. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you guys. Go over, follow me on TikTok, cryptobitcoinchris. I'm trying to post constant updates. I mean, listen, if you're losing a ton of money, you just have to acknowledge, like, your trading strategy doesn't work if you're losing money. I've got kids in the group. This 17-year-old, he's turned $200 and $4,500. I got kids in the group up 2,100%. Just let me teach you the rules. Let me give you the best coins to be in. Let my team help you grade your charts. This is a full ecosystem for success, period. When you're tired of losing money in this market, join my group. It's that simple. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.